issues. The showers need some work. They got to replace these push button operations. You have to hold this button in while somehow lather with your other hand. I don't know how to do it. The other issue is the maintenance crew. They were lazy and rude. Really, really rude. I never want to deal with these people again. So because the sites are water and electric, I might stay here again. Maybe I would stay here again, as long as I didn't need the honey wagon. I think Twin Mills is good for maybe 3 or 4 nights, visit Amish country, and then head down the road. Now, Twin Mills is an Encore park, which means I can stay here with my Thousand Trails add-on called Trails Collection. To find out more about Thousand Trails and the Trails Collection, I have some contact information on my description page. Check it out. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful to you. If you did like this content, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's all I got for now. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.